Good morning everyone, welcome back. So we're here in a site in Nigel with the Centurion D2 Turbo, the disposable gate motor of Centurion. So we're just going to replace it with the Centurion D5 Evo. Stay tuned, let's see how the installation goes. We've removed the old Centurion D2 Turbo, but we cannot fit the Centurion D5 Evo gate motor in here because of the bricks that would be in the way in order to open the gate motor and place it onto manual. So we're going to lift the gate motor up, lift it above the stormwater level, all of the stuff which will prevent our gate motor from being flooded, and it will then be easy accessible as well. Let's just have a look here.
I'll give it again here, Nigel. Look at him again. Look at it for me. Chaos of Dunia said, Fancy Karaku.
We're done welding the gate motor into position. We've also cut the bricks here, which will allow the door to open fully. When you do fit your gate motor, make sure that it's parallel with the steel sliding gate, that it's in an upright position. Your gate motor is the entrance point to your property, and you want it to look professional. Just like that. Right, all said and done. Let's quickly have a look at it, the installation, and then we'll quickly test it. Firstly, gate motor is standing obviously upright. And then obviously the gate motor is parallel with the steel sliding gate. We've welded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brackets onto actually a very small steel sliding gate. We've used 40 by 40 by 3 angle iron brackets. Origin marker has been welded into place and secured. So let's quickly test it. Just check how smooth this gate operates, this steel sliding gate. You can see there's no effort by the gate motor to run the steel sliding gate. That's it. Another successful installation. Call Pottie 083 778 2288 for all your gate motor needs here in Gauteng. This installation was done in Nigel.